talking about alternatives, right? Greener alternatives to dryer sheets. Now, there's so many different reasons why dryer sheets are bad. Not only because it just keeps, literally, you're just tossing your money into the dryer and then you're throwing it away. But it's really bad for the environment because dryer sheets don't break down, right? So an alternative to that in terms of keeping your clothes soft and actually keeping them and helping them smell good are these. Have you ever seen these before? These are wool balls, basically. Okay, these are sheep's wool from New Zealand. Now, I've come across these some time ago and decided to start using them to replace dryer sheets. And what I found is that I actually love these much more than dryer sheets. Now, this tip is so quick and so easy. Literally, all you're going to do is take a couple of these sheep's wool balls and toss them into the dryer like you would a dryer sheet. Now, it really depends on how many balls you would use, depends on the load, right? If you have a big load, don't overload it because you really want these to rotate. You know, you really want these to rotate around your clothes. So try not to overload the dryer. But you're going to pop these in, and if you want to actually give it some scent, all you're going to do is add some essential oil. So you're going to take the essential oil, put about, I like to do like 10 to 15 drops and really get it all over, you know. Like, don't be shy with it. Just get it like all over. Okay, that's more than 15, I know. I wasn't counting. I was too busy watching it. Okay? And then you're just going to keep going, right? Ooh, I'm losing count, but that's okay. Now, you can use any essential oil, you know, of your choice, right? Whatever you want your clothes to smell like. I personally like lavender, but you use whatever oil is good for you, okay? What you're going to do then is take these dryer balls and then pop them in the dryer. I usually do it for about 3 minutes, right? Because the reason for that is you want to almost cook the oil right into the dryer balls, and that's it, okay? So let's do that next. So then after you put your essential oil, whichever one you've chosen, however you want your clothes to smell, you're going to pop them right into the dryer and let it cook really, or, you know, get in there for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now, that wasn't so bad, was it? That was pretty easy and pretty straightforward. So what you're going to do next is, you know, after you have used them, or after you use them when you wash and dry your clothes, is you want to store them in an airtight container, okay? And that's going to keep them really nice, actually, and to help hold the scent. And then if it starts to lose the scent, you know, just put some essential oil back on it and repeat the process. That's how you're going to do that. Now, in case you're wondering, okay, I'm with you, but how long do these little things last, right? I've never used these things. They last about 1,000 loads on average. They really do. They last a long time. So going back to what I started to say in the very beginning of saving you some money while being green, I mean, do the math on how many dryer sheets it would take you to do 1,000 loads, okay? Do the math on how much that would cost. So after about 1,000 loads, now you will know that you're going to need a replacement because they start to look scraggly. You know, they just start to look like they're just starting to fall apart. And that's how you know it's time to order a new one. So I hope you give them a try. I really do. I know you're probably looking at them like, I don't know about that. I hope you give it a try. You just might like it. You just might like it. Talk to you soon.